This is the Caroma P1, an electric scooter with a max speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of 25 miles. It can be rechargeable and is designed for your daily commute. Has a basket on the back here and a space here that you can easily fit some luggage, your baggage, or a kid, or even a pet. Let's go check it out. It is powered by a 500-watt motor on the rear and it stops using disc brakes. So it's got safety in mind. Not only does it have a little light at the front here in case it gets dark, it also has a brake light so people can tell when you're stopping. Plus it has some reflectors right here so you will be seen in the dark. And well, it's very comfortable. And that's all thanks to these shock absorbers that they have on the back and the front. It just allows it to be a super comfortable ride. Plus these 14-inch wheels, you really don't feel many bumps at all. So it is designed to be stored so you can easily fold it down. The assembly of the electric scooter was super easy. It did take me about 40 minutes in total. It does come about 90% assembled, but you do have to kind of add a couple of things like the seat, the basket. You do need to add the brake lights. Everything does come packaged very well and safe. Everything's zip tied, so nothing is loose in the box, so nothing comes damaged. The frame itself is super rigid. I can't see it getting damaged when you're riding it. It's solid but is lightweight. It does come with a toolkit with a bunch of different size spanners and Allen keys. I would recommend personally just going over everything and tightening everything before your first use, just to make sure everything is good and proper. Now it does come with a set of keys, so you can turn it on, turn it off and lock it. And then to charge it, you just plug it into the power using the power supply. If you are interested in the Caroma electric scooter, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Please leave a comment what you thought about it. Hit that like button, share with a friend, and of course subscribe for some more great reviews like this.